First heat.
Brandon Wise out of
Bird Contracting IMCA Sport Compacts. The Birds will lead them off. Ashley Bird on the bottom. Ashley Bird on top. Out of 4. Keep an eye on that number 14. As well as that 88S back there in the rear of the field. Out of Scott Spellmeyer. He is my pick to win tonight.
Head to the front. The very opening race of the season for the Sport Compact. She was your feature winner. And she's followed up there by the 7K car.
Ashlyn Bird out front of 7K right there is second. Bailey Glavin in a real nice third. But he's got Spellmeyer right behind him. Sorry about that, Scott. Scott Spellmeyer making the pass around the 6 to Bailey Glavin as they enter his R3. Out of 4, not sure what happened to the 14B. But she's got to go. But Scott Spellmeyer. She's got the 8. Oh, he's going to make the pass on her. I don't know. We'll see.
That's a 72, and he's your points leader, Paco Mahayou.
Right behind his daughter.
And outside the 21 is Carter Trudgeon.
He picked up the last 8 feature win here at Salida Speedway.
Crystal McBride from Bernard, and the
Crystal McBride back there in her first race out here at Salida Speedway.
Well, Aaron McBride said that his daughter was going to be out here. Crystal, here a little time.
Trudgeon back there, looking on the inside of number 11 at Todd Power, 904. He's showing you the numbers, but out front, Paco Mahayou. He's got a little lead on. number 72, Paco Montague. He'll come around. Look up there at Richard Sims. White flag. 1 to go. Carter trying to get almost. Takes to the bench. That's that outside wall. We'll hold on to a real nice second place. I got to get in my picks tonight for sure. 5R back there looking to the inside of Josh Howard out of 2. Sydney Ball and Crystal McBride right there. Get passed by Paco Montague, the leader, and he'll pick up the second flag. Your final even race for the night. Carter's going to get his second. Josh Howard is third, and a 5R and 4.
Number 3, the 5'8", John Hine out of the Athens, Nebraska.
The benefit of the doubt and put her back up front, and it'll be an original restart. I do believe. We'll see if she'll get the benefit of the doubt. She did cause the caution. We'll see if something broke up underneath it. Down the backstretch. They'll give her the benefit of the doubt and put the 14B of Ashlyn Bird back up there. Her sister ran the same car last week down there in Hayes, Amber Bird. She put it on him, started from the rear of the field and finished with a real nice sport. Out of 4, Brittany Ball, look up there, Richard Sims. She's got to get in the throttle. That young man normally runs the Atchison Speedway. Oh! He held on to it just talking about it. He's bringing it to the top. He is about to win it, I know, ladies and gentlemen. Watch out. Paco breaks something. I ain't for sure what it is. Looks like something broke up underneath, but he's rolling smooth down the backstretch. We'll see when he comes around. Bringing it to the front, the 88S of Scott Spellmeyer. Dawson, we got one upside of the wall right here. Just out of turn 4. They'll make it down there. We'll see who it is. Out of 4, hold on to it. Scott Spellmeyer.
What are you doing, bud? Doing your thing or what?
Race car. Larry
first time serving.
Checked out.
My race fever didn't work the whole time I was here with it.
Joe's Cakes, that sounds amazing, by the way. The wheel is off, the belts are off. Ladies and gentlemen, Scott Spell.
Hi.
Buddy, you show up, all you do is win.
I try to everywhere I go, but it doesn't always happen.
So, give us a quick rundown. I know it was kind of a little bit of a battle of attrition, but you had some pretty good runs going there.
Yeah, I'd like to have got a little bit more rhythm, but you got to do what you got to do when there's caution after caution. But
Kind of take them as you can get them, right?
yeah, I'll take them any way I can.
What brought you down to us tonight? Because I know you're usually running up north in Nebraska.
Beatrice rained out tonight. Rained out early enough that we had time to get down here. So
Hey, thanks for coming back again, and I hope to see you again, Scott.
thank you.